Tuesday, August 5th, and they're doing a little bit of grinding and sanding down here. They got a lot of stuff off the customer's Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. It's got a bit of an orange tint in the shop here, probably from the light, but also from the paint. Dad is vacuuming up here. After my video yesterday, they did some grinding and cleaning up yesterday. Aidan's got his mask on for protection, and I'm just going to take a quick short break here, and then I'm going to come right back to these guys. Okay, I was just making sure that the air exchanger is on because they're doing the grinding and the sanding in here, and I put a brand new one in there the other day, and it's already getting pretty dirty. But these guys have moved inside because it's become unbearable to work outside. It's like plus 32, then with all the extra heat from the forest fires and the smoke in the air, it's almost unbearable working outside. We haven't had any real rain all winter, not winter, summer, and we might actually get 5 days of it coming up, which would be really, really nice. And so hopefully that rain comes in and cools everything off. Even in the shop, the humidity is through the roof right now. So I gotta encourage these guys to slow down a little bit and make sure they're drinking a lot of water. So I give them water and Gatorade. But I'm gonna walk around the machine here from the front and kind of give you guys show you what's going on. So you can see here, this is all the paint and rust and whatnot they've gotten off the front already, and it's pretty dusty on the windshield, and so they're going to be at that for probably a couple of days, I would imagine, easily a couple of days. That old paint is caked in pretty good. Like I said, Aidan has his mask on. Dad, he's not going to do it. 83 years old, he's done. So all I can do is hope he's doing it somewhat safely. But they're getting, as you can see where Dad is, he's getting all the edges done as much as he can. And then Aidan's doing his thing in behind there. They took the windows out yesterday, and we put them over here somewhere, out of the way. Dad actually loaded them up yesterday, that's what he did. And I think he's taking them in to get done in town. There's a glass guy in town that does that. We can't do that here. And so, yeah, not too exciting with the sanding and painting part, but you can see that there is progress here. Hopefully this doesn't turn into this, because like I said before in previous videos, this has turned into a bench, and I don't want workbenches here. I need this worked on and that worked on at the same time, so they're both out the door at the same time. We do have some fall work that's coming up, and I really hope these guys can be done in the meantime so that we can get the next jobs coming in. But so I'm going to let these guys do this for a bit, and I'll check back in with them. Oh, and there's my baby Emily. She's got a Yummies treat, just loves it. Charlie's underneath the horse trailer, so this is just the afternoon routine. Charles in charge, you old prick. Hey? You had to coax you out from underneath the horse trailer, and now you're gonna sit here and whine at me. Is it a hot day? Hey? Oh God, it's so hot. It's so hot.